Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Marshalls and Tjmaxx haul for you. Everything that I'm going to be showing you today are beauty products. So I love shopping at Marshalls and Tjmaxx because they have a huge beauty section. You name it. They have skincare, makeup, hair care, a bunch of stuff. I just always get so lost in that section. So I picked up a bunch of cool products. I love Marshalls and Tjmaxx because they carry high-end makeup. Most of the time it's either discontinued makeup, but most of the products that I got today are products that are still available in Sephora and Ulta full price. So if you're interested in seeing what I have to show you today, then please keep on watching this haul. Alright, so I have two bags right here. This one is from Tjmaxx and this one is from Marshalls. So I picked up the most amount of stuff at Marshalls. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you the products that I picked up at Tjmaxx first. Alright, so the first thing I pulled out of my bag here is the Profusion Mixed Metals Eye Palette in the shade Amber. So I don't know why, but it's taped on here, which is weird. Like, it looks like someone just went on and taped it. I guess because it might have fell out or something like that. But anyways, it comes with a full-size eyeliner pencil, a tapered blending brush, which you can't have enough of those brushes. I love having so many of those brushes because that's what I use in my crease area to blend and everything. So it looks like it's a really, really nice brush. So I'm really excited to try that out. It also comes with an eyeshadow primer and the eyeshadow palettes. So it comes with some nice warm toned shades. I'm really, really excited to try this. I've actually been wanting this ever since it came out at Target for the holidays, I believe, and it was $10 at Target, but I picked mine up at Tjmaxx for only $7.99, which, I mean, it's a few dollars that I saved, right? So I've been actually wanting this for a while. I have tried Profusion before and I really, really like that brand, so I'm really excited to try this out. Up next, I picked up the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Nude Mood. This is just a really pretty peachy nude shade. Here is the tube of lipstick. It's really nice and sleek looking. It's actually really heavy, I would say. It feels very nice and luxurious. Here is the color, you guys. So beautiful. Definitely my kind of nude. I have so many nudes that look like this, but honestly, once I saw this, I knew I had to get it. I was like, you're coming home with me. This lipstick is still available at Ulta, Sephora, Macy's, Smashbox.com for $21, and I got mine for only $7.99. That is such a deal. I'm really happy I got this, and I can't wait to try it out. I kind of want to put this on my lips right now. Let's try it. It's pretty. They had other shades as well, so it wasn't just this shade, but I only picked up the nude shade, of course. Alright, so here are the last products that I picked up at my local Tjmaxx, and these are probably my most exciting find. They are Lilly Lashes. These are the Lilly Lashes for Sephora collection. You guys, I cannot believe I found these. I actually saw someone post about it on Instagram, and I decided to take my butt to Tjmaxx to see if I could find these, and I found them. The image that I actually saw on Instagram was a set, so it came with 2 lashes and tweezers to apply them with for only $9.99. I was looking for that set and I could not find it, so I'm still on the hunt for it, but I did find these, and they're individually packaged lashes. So you guys, if y'all ever heard of Lilly Lashes, y'all know how expensive these are. These are $30 a pop. So right here I have $90 worth of lashes, and I only paid $5.99 for each of these lashes. So $90 worth of lashes, and I paid 18 bucks. So I cannot believe it. I was so happy to find these. So the style that I have are Miami, Mykonos, which is a really dramatic style, but I decided to get these anyway. And the last ones are probably my most natural pair that I got, which is in the style London. I cannot wait to try these out. I've never owned a really expensive pair of lashes. I just can't get myself to pay $30 for lashes. My most expensive pair was probably the Lilly Lashes, which were like 12 bucks or something like that, which is still a lot of money for lashes. Alright, so I'm on the website right now, and I just wanted to show you guys that they are $29.99. So this is the Lilly Lashes website. These are in the style Miami, which are a pair that I got. And right here, they are $29.99. Alright, so now onto the products that I purchased at Marshall's. So I'm going to start off with this product because I just finished talking about it. This is the Lilly Lashes for Sephora collection. I did find another pair at Marshall's. And again, this is in the style Miami. I already purchased one from Tjmaxx, which this one is from Tjmaxx. Anytime that I see these at Tjmaxx or Marshall's, I'm going to buy them because I'd rather pay $5.99 than $30 for lashes. So now I have 4 pairs of Lilly Lashes. So right here, this is $120 worth of lashes, and I paid less than $25 for them. So go to your local Tjmaxx and try to find them, and if you do, please let me know if you found them or not. Send me a snap on Snapchat or whatever. Up next, I got this Pearl Essence Coconut Balancing Facial Oil. I have never tried a facial oil before, so when I saw this, I wanted to try it out. I have really, really dry skin, so I feel like this would be amazing for my dry skin. It says that it's coconut oil and vitamin E. It delivers powerful daily hydration to help balance and revive and rejuvenate skin. So that's definitely what I need because I have really, really dry skin, and I wanted to try this out. I've never tried a facial oil before, so I decided that I would give this a shot and see if maybe this is life-changing or not. And this was only $5.99. I just applied some on the back of my hand and I rubbed it in, and it feels really, really nice, and it smells so, so nice. It does smell coconutty, but nothing too overpowering. So up next, I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Single in the shade Cream Soda. This is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Honestly, I got this to use as a transition shade for my eye looks. They had a ton of these at my Marshalls. They had contour refills and they also had single eyeshadows. I decided to skip out on some of the eyeshadows because the colors that they had weren't that pretty. So I decided to get this because this is a little bit larger than the single eyeshadow, and it was the same exact price. These were $3.99, and I feel like I would get a lot of use out of this shade because it is a nice transition shade. So next, I got some e.l.f. skincare. So I got the e.l.f. Daily Face Cleanser, and I got the Hydrating Gel Mist. I decided to go ahead and purchase these because they were only $2.99 each, and I've seen these at Target and Walmart for about $6 to $8. So y'all, this is an awesome deal. They had a ton of these, so I decided to go ahead and get them and try them out. I have tried the e.l.f. moisturizer, and I absolutely love it. This is very interesting. So it's a gel in here, but when you spray it, it comes out as a mist, which is crazy. So, yeah, I cannot wait to try this. It feels very nice and cooling, and yeah, does it smell? Ooh, it does smell. It smells really, really nice. Oh, that smells so good. So I cannot wait to try these out. Next, I got another Anastasia Beverly Hills product. This is the liquid lipstick in the shade Vamp. Again, this is still available at Ulta and Sephora for $20, and I paid $6.99 for mine. So here is the shade Vamp. This looks like a beautiful shade for the fall time. So, so pretty. It's like a brownie, reddish brick shade, I would say. This is honestly going to be perfect for the fall time. So here is Vamp. So another Anastasia product that I actually didn't buy, my sister bought it for me. This is the Glow Kit in Aurora. And you guys, this is so, so pretty. This was $24.99, regular price, $42 I believe. Again, still available at Sephora and Ulta and all that. So here is the Glow Kit. It's so, so beautiful. I cannot wait to try this out. I don't have anything like this in my collection at all. So I'm really, really happy that I own this. Thank you so much, sister, for getting this for me. So I just realized that most of the products that I'm showing you today are high-end products, which I'm really, really happy about. So up next, I got 2 Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipsticks. I got the shades Cathedral and Lolita. So I just checked on Kat Von D's website, and these are still retailing for $19 each. And I paid $6.99 for each tube. So here is the price tag so you can see. So here is the packaging for the Studded Kiss lipsticks. You guys, I remember wanting to buy these so bad at Sephora, and I just never got myself to buy them, and now I have them, and I paid $6.99 for each of them. So I'm looking at them now, and they look very, very similar. Here is the shade Lolita. Here is the shade Cathedral. They look almost identical, but there's a difference, you guys. There's a difference. So you can see that Cathedral is a little bit darker and more on the rosy side, and Lolita is more lighter. There is Cathedral and there is Lolita. So they're totally different. Am I right? Can you see a difference? I see a difference. I had a ton of Lorac products. I love Lorac. It's one of my first high-end makeup palettes that I ever bought with my own money. The first one I ever bought was Urban Decay Naked 2 with my own money, and the second one was Lorac, which was the Lorac Pro. That one was so popular back in the day. So when I saw that they had Lorac Cosmetics at Marshall's, I was so happy about it. The first product that I got from Lorac is this California Dreaming Pro Liquid Lipstick Set. This is actually from last season during the spring and summertime. I remember seeing this at Ulta and wanting it. And I saw it, didn't buy it, came home. A few weeks later, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and purchase it, and they didn't have any more. So when I saw this at Marshall's, I was so happy because I missed out on this last season. And it comes with 4 liquid lipsticks. Comes with 2 nude shades, a more pinkier rosy shade, and a darker nude shade. So these are definitely my type of shades. I have tried their Pro Liquid lipsticks before, and I do really like them. So I'm really happy to have found this set at Marshall's. Next, I got this Lorac lip gloss and lipstick duo. This is actually from the Pirates of the Caribbean collection. This is in the shade Me Hearties. I thought this was an awesome concept. So it's a lip gloss on top, and then down here it's a lipstick. I wasn't going to buy this originally because it is a limited edition product, and I don't really like using limited edition products on my channel, especially if they're not available anymore, because they're hard to find. And I got this because this would be absolutely perfect to just throw in my purse if I ever need a retouch or anything, or if I ever need to put a little bit of lipstick on. This is just perfect. And it comes with a mirror on there too. So here is the swatch of the lip gloss. Here's a swatch of the lipstick, and it's a pinky nude shade. Next, I got these Lorac Alter Ego lipsticks in the shades Centerfold and Nudist. Again, nude shades. You can't ever have enough nudes, am I right? So here is the shade Centerfold. Really pretty nude. And here is the shade Nudist. So they have an Ulta right next door to my Marshall's, and I went in right after I purchased these because I wanted to see their Lorac section to see if these were still available in store, and they still are, you guys. So they retail for $21, I believe, and they had them at Marshall's for $4.99. So we're on to the last product, you guys. So this is the Self Tantalizer Body Bronzing Gradual Self Tanner. This originally cost $33, and I saw it at Marshall's for $5.99. So I originally bought the bronzing spray, and I tried it and it was way too orange. So I immediately returned it and decided to exchange it for the Gradual Self Tanner. And you guys, I already tried this stuff out and it's amazing. And it also comes with a mitt. I haven't used the mitt yet, like that. And I'm a pretty tan myself, so I know y'all are probably wondering, why is she buying a self tanner if she's already tan? Well, I have this thing where I'm tan on my arms, and then I'm not tan on my chest area. So that's what I wanted it for, and I feel like this would be really nice on your legs as well. It smells so nice. It smells like vanilla. It smells really good. So I'm really happy that I got this. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave me a comment down below letting me know what products y'all are excited to go find at your local Marshalls and TJ Maxx. Also, don't forget to like this video if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. I have all that listed down below, so you can go follow me on there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
So I'll show you the bronzing